Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so for SpaceX, well, last week I did a video about that, right? And I did warn you that I was still leaving the the four waves up in green, but it started to be shaky because the price start to go below the 0.618. So that's unhealthy. And in fact, it didn't work out, so I can remove it now. I can remove this fib extension as well. And beside that, we had an option 2, which was this ABC that could form a wave 1 in blue, and this was a possible ABC. And once again, we had to be careful to not go below 170, otherwise it make it unlikely. And actually we did go below, stabilize a little bit, and then today we're going down and officially now invalidating also discount as an ABC or diagonal as well. So now I'm going to remove everything, and this is the drama, right? With new stocks, new crypto like pop up, right? There is an explosion, and people they take profits because when did those people that sold here or here or here or here, how much did they buy that? They bought them before that the stock would go in the market, way before. Maybe they bought it 15, I don't know the history, maybe 15 years ago when they started, and maybe they pay $1 per stock, even less sometimes. So I mean, this could be, and I know someone out there, it really took the time to analyze the SpaceX company based on the market cap or the value of the company, which, yeah, it's a reasonable thing to do when you don't have the data available, because it was a private company, right? So he was saying that based on that, we would be on a third wave that it did a really long 1, 2, and then now this could be the top of the third wave, and then now we will do the fourth wave. And so this, for sure, this is just theory. Now we started here, but there was an history here. Maybe, I don't know now, maybe we did already a 1, 2, and this is the third wave, and now we're doing the fourth. And perhaps maybe we can go even higher and make a new all-time high, but after that it would be the top of this third wave, and then after that a bigger correction will come, which kind of makes sense because can the stock go and just skyrocket from now, in the next 8, 10, 1 year, while everybody is waiting and starting to keep cash for eventual crash and buy back lower. So yeah, for sure, a stock can go also against the trend of the market, but we shall see anyway. So this is the theory now, and as you can see, we only have this history now. So what can I tell you now is, I did warn you last week, be careful because it went a little bit lower than it should, and probability are start to be high that the price could fail. And as we can see today, it did fail. Now there is another scenario. I don't want to give hopes, but this could be a retest of this entrance level here, and now it could attempt again. But once again, very short history, cannot do much. I can only tell you, yeah, this now acted as a support, and I can also draw a resistance now. And I would call this a B wave. I would put it in yellow. Okay, so I can remove this fib as well. And so this could be just an A, a B, we could continue to go lower. A, B, and a C. That's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. Well, now it's really decision point. Can he hold this level here, the 150, or if it's going to fail, then yeah, we have no idea how low can it go. So when we have no idea, then at least we can pop up some RSIs, have an idea maybe. So as you can see, on the 1 hour, we're not oversold yet. So, a little bit more room. So maybe under 40, under 30. And then after that, maybe we should maybe expect a pullback. Now, if I go on the daily, I'm pretty sure I have nothing, because it's too early. 12 hours, let's see, nothing. Because it's too young, right? 8 hours, nothing. Okay, 4 hours must be something. Not even. Let me double check here, because my internet. No, it's just too short to have data. So the 1 hour still some room to go down. You can see now the 15 minutes was oversold deeply, and now it's bouncing back. So this could be the reason. And then I don't want to be that person, but let me put it here. So let's see this trend line here. Start to be a strong trend line. We have 3 touching points, right? So this it's going to be our downtrend line that is going to act as a resistance. I'm going to put a micro resistance here. I'm going to put it in red. I'm going to move that around so it don't overlap. Okay, so I'm going to check here if the price break above 180, if the structure, it can give a mini, I don't know, maybe 5-way up, but I don't think so. But if it can, then we can consider maybe, okay, maybe starting back, and then let's look for 5-way up. But then even if it does 5-way up here, well, it's going to have a pullback area, right? So we're going to check that, and that could be a possible entry point, because our invalidation point, it shouldn't be that far, right? Okay, so this is the theory now. If he can manage to give us something like that, and after that he makes a pullback, okay? So on the pullback, and this, I'm doing this just to show how you can use Fibonacci to get into some positions. Okay, so 5-way up, then 3-wave down. So now if it goes to the limit at under 52.35, I mean, yeah, what the hell, I would get in, because I only have what is that? 3% potential loss. And then for sure we really need, I would really need to see a 5 beautiful wave up to make me have the feeling, a good vibe, good feeling that I could scale in, because yeah, this is already, this 1-2 failed. So now we're starting back from scratch. Bitcoin, what is doing? Just to have a reference, Bitcoin is going lower. I didn't read, let me see the brand is going lower. Okay, so that's mixed feeling. I need to read the news today and check what's happening in the world. But market, they look quite negative. Let me see here, stocks. Well, for me it's hard to see stocks, because everything is pretty much related to crypto. Tesla's down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the stock market also looks like it's not very positive today. So anyway, I just wanted to warn you about that. Stay alert with this SpaceX stock. A lot of time, when stock launch, people get burned, and you can see how, and then it goes high fast, but then look how it goes down as well fast. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.